And hello friends. So today what we are going to see is what are the free softwares that have been available for this. Okay, so let me show you, and I have to tell you something, that this free software is normally for every math oriented thing. So I'll show you a wonderful software. So you have this. Okay, you take this software and it is 3D Explore Math. I'll give you all the links below. Okay, so in this software, as you can see, there are plane curves like ellipse and all those things you can plot, and even you can plot curvature method. In 2D curvature there is no problem, because kappa of t, there is only one parameter, but when you go for 3D curvature, helix and other things have the same. For example, you take the space curves, you take the curvature and torsion, you have two parameters to define a curve. Just for a line, 2 points are needed for a lines. For a curve or a surface, you need curvature. I'll show you some of the things like space curves and surfaces with curvature K1. Okay, so these are the curvatures with K1. This is a wonderful software. Even you have a wonderful thing in this. Okay, let me show you something. Parametric surfaces, and in this you can also view this anile graph, stereo vision. Okay, this is 3D. You put a 3D glass, you can see this 3D thing. And you have many things over here. You go to the settings, and in this there are many things like surfaces. You have minimal surfaces. Okay, minimal surfaces are nothing but this in fluid mechanics you have surface tension. No, you create bubbles because this is a minimal surface. It is optimal in nature. Okay, and you have many minimal surfaces. You can just tweak it, and other triangle catenoids. Okay, you have all the things, and also in this conformal maps are there in this software. As you can see, the conformal map is plotting, and in this what you can do is you can view a 3D Riemann sphere. As you can see here, this is a Riemann sphere in here. Okay, you can view a Riemann sphere, and you can just I'll just set 3D options and animate, morph. You can just morph it also. You just take to the sign of Z, and you can see this Riemann sphere. You can morph this and see. So the Riemann sphere is a very good example. These are all only in the books. Okay, Riemannian sphere. Riemannian sphere. Okay, this sphere, you have this point. From this point only, everything is projecting. As you can see from here, this sphere is only shown in this software, this Riemann sphere. As you can see from here, each and every point is projecting. And after this, you have in conformal maps, you can also do your own base test function is there, connected to gamma function, and also polyhedras. Polyhedras are for group theory and everything. You can plot a polyhedra, and you have fractals. Mandelbrot said there is a good visualization where you can show the Julia sets. Okay, you can show the Julia sets and also the orbits. You just, orbits are nothing but iterations will diverge or converge. You can see this orbits. None other software is able to show you. Okay, this orbits also you can see. As you can see, in this point it will diverge within 2 iterations. And you have dragon curve, another fractal, Hilbert curve, sequences cascade, and Koch curve, and also S servition. And after fractals, you have first order ODE. Okay, you can plot this vector oriented graph. You just put your mouse cursor over here and you just can see this animation, wonderful animation. And here you have connecting dots. You can just connect dots, and you have Euler's method, Runkuta method. Your Runkuta method needs a lot of um, iterations, but show both. As you can see in here, these are the things, and also you have mass action. This also is available in here in the software, and this is second order ODE, and you can also plot this. Okay, and more than this, you have third order ODE in 3D space, as you can see from here. In 3D you have this. Okay, so these are the wonderful softwares that are been available, and you can also morph it. So this software is nothing but is called Explore Math 3D. You need Java for this. Okay, then other software I am going to show you is PairOne Graph EXE. You can go here and you can see you can download this. So, or I'll show you this graph is how it is wonderful. Okay, you can just plot a series in this. And a series function. Okay, as you can see in here, the series is being shown. And in this series, what you can do is you can also plot a regression polynomial, and you can also find a curve function, curve integration. Okay, just like this mass. You can also find the area in this, and also you can find the arc length in this. You will show here, and you can find here, and also you can draw the table for this function with all those f of dash is their differentiation. Okay, so these are all available, and also you can find the slope at all points. It is very wonderful software. Okay, and then other software, this is nothing but you can go here and type PairOne Graph exe dk. This will be very useful for complex graphing. And another software I have to show you is K3D's thing. So there are two versions. Okay, there are two versions. I'll show you the first version. Okay, you just go here and type K3D surf equation. Okay, K3D surf. This is math mod oriented. Okay, this is math mod is different from this thing. Okay, K3D surf, there are two versions. This is actually math mod. Okay, this is K3D surf. So I am having K3D surf. To download this, you have to go to a separate website. You have wonderful functions in this. Okay, you have wonderful functions in this, and you can see this wonderful thing. You can just tweak all those things. There are wonderful softwares over here to visualize. This is for surfaces, so I am just showing you. And then another thing is that you can go to here and you can view hyper objects, 4D objects also. Okay, and there are many things. And in this rotational plans, activate this. It will show you the 3D rotation, 4D rotation and all. Okay, and in tools you go here, and in parametric, in all ND you can activate this, and as you can see here there are 5 dimensions, and in this dimensions you can choose this rotation plans. XY it will rotate like this in 5 dimensions, in YZ it will rotate like this, but in XW it will mix it, it will go inside and come outside. Okay, so like that lots of visualizations are there. Okay, this is a wonderful thing. And also you have this ND, I have to deactivate the ND. Okay, and you just go to the rotation plans. It is just revolving by itself. Okay, so these are all the softwares that are available. Then another software I can tell you is WX Maxima. Okay, it is a computer algebra system. What is a computer algebra system? A computer algebra system can do mathematical equations by itself, symbolic mathematical computations. Okay, deactivate 5D rotational bands. Yes, I have deactivated it. I don't know why it is not so. So these are all available in this software. So this is Maxima software. You can do all those symbolic calculations. I'll show you. WX Maxima. Okay. In this, what you can do is you can just plot an equation. Every equation is nearly kind of every function is nearly kind of a polynomial. Okay. And you just take this, you can differentiate it symbolically. Okay, you can just differentiate it. You can find the limit. You can also find get series. You can get a polynomial out of it, Taylor series, Maclaurin series, and everything. And also you can plot this. You can just plot this. Okay, you can just plot this. Okay, it will just get plotted. Okay, and also you can plot it in 3D also. Okay, there's a wonderful visualization in this software. This was created by William Skelter in 1950. You have lots of things, list and everything. You can also use it as a programming language. It has many advanced features. Okay, it has many advanced features. Especially, you can also go to these tutorials, and also you can find Maxima help. Okay, and you can go to the content Maxima manual, and you can find a tensor manipulation is over here, and also all kind of recurrence equation solving, all this overall here. So this will be very useful. You can also expand a simple algebraic equation also. A plus B plus C, the whole squared. Everybody knows the formula for this. Okay, but nobody will be able to prove this. But for proving, you have special software. A plus B, what will be the whole power? 456, 4056, and you can just expand this in this software symbolically. Okay, you just expand this. It is not expanding, so let me give it a small number, and let's expand this. It is expanding the equation. Okay, like this is a wonderful software you can use. So this is expanding. This is the A plus B the whole power 56. Like this you can use it for many purposes. So these are very useful Maxima tools. And also you have Desmos Online. Okay, this is a wonderful software online. Okay, so you can just plot this in online itself. Okay, this is a wonderful software. You have many demos and free demos in the online thing. You can draw any curve. You can even draw a face of a curve faces, and also many things you can draw. Okay, and it can also math mod is different. Okay, in this what you can do is you can give x for x for x for x. So you have this equation. It shows minima and maxima. Okay, and also x power 1 divided by x. As you can see, it is showing this number, minima and maxima of this thing. Okay, it is so good. So these are all the softwares, and also nowadays there is also available in Python also GNU plot, GNU plot, GNU plot. This is a wonderful software. You can plot it. I also have this. And after GNU plot, you have Python grapher. Okay, Python grapher. You can also plot in NumPy and everything. Python grapher. Okay, this Scilab and everything softwares are available in Scilab and Octave. These are all very good software. This is a MATLAB clone. Okay, Octave. Mathematica are all commercial softwares where it is not available. Okay, these are all for mathematics. Okay, Mathematica are all commercial. Mathematica, Maple. Okay, Maple, and also MathCAD is a very different software from PTC. MathCAD. Okay, it is a very for engineers and everybody. You can do symbolic calculation, and in finite element it is very useful. Okay, the MathCAD, and also you have different kinds of thing. DC proof is an proofing software. Okay, this is an DC proof is a proof software. As you can see from here, this is a proof software. You can do proofs in this. Okay, this is a wonderful, and you can just prove it. I have already made videos on this. And also JAPE theorem prover. Okay, this is also another kind of proving software where you can do proving thing. And also Coq, these are all for advanced users. Coq theorem prover, not this Coq theorem prover. And also you have Isabella theorem prover, and also lean theorem prover. This is Microsoft one. And also you have Hall, okay, theorem prover. So metamath is a very good thing. Okay, for 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, they have soft proof. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, metamath proof for this. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. There is a very big proof for this. You can keep on tweaking the proofs. Metamath proof explorer. These are all things available. And also for geometric theorem proving, there is JGEX geometry. Okay, Java geometry expert. This is a wonderful software. Okay, this is a wonderful software. As you can see from here, it will show you how to prove things using Grosvenor basis and everything. Okay, and everything, it is very wonderful that you can just prove everything in geometry. Okay, geometry. And also this geometry software is very good in proving many geometry theorems. Okay, so this is exploring geometry explorer. This is somewhat new software. Okay, how to see everything. So these are all some of the softwares which are available on the online. Okay, and you should also see some of the softwares. Many softwares are there for group theory, knot theory, and everything. Okay, you should also see this. So these are all some of the softwares which are wonderful softwares. Okay, and you have to do this. So thank you. These are all the things I want to tell you. So thank you.